Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. And I have something very important to tell you. So I say very important because you know, sometimes people get sick and you never know what can happen. So these things is needed to be known to the whole public. So I say, now the doctors in the KinGstoN Public Hospital, right? That's KPH, you know, that's KinGstoN Public Hospital located in KinGstoN, Jamaica. The doctors are complaining about the poor lighting in the operating theaters, right? They said that they have been complaining for about 3 years, right? And there has been no effort to fix these problems, right? They said that they have problem in 1 and 2 operating theater 1 and 2. You know, those lighting is poor, you know, they malfunction some of the time. And theater 4, that lighting is not working at all. You see what I'm saying to you? They said that they sometimes use the headlight to get around certain things and try to make it work, but they said that you can't depend on the headlight because, you know, so that is a thing that is used as battery and it recharge, and sometimes you can plug it in to recharge it, but at the same time it is just not as good as the standard lighting that would be in the room, you know, because this is operating, you're operating on someone. So, you know, it's very important to make sure that the tools that are needed to be used to operate on someone living that is on a table, you know, to do certain things. You get me? Now them link, now they called on to the chief executive officer of the hospital, and you know, that person says that the lighting, they have been ordered and they said that it's in the island, but it's only to be installed, right? Now remember, I just told you that say that they've been complaining about this for the last 3 years, right? And nothing has been done. But as soon as the press starts to ask questions, that's when you hear that the lights are here and they are just only needed to be installed. It's a massive viewers and subscribers. So these are the things we need to tell you what I'm going right about now. It's a massive doctors are complaining about, right, the poor lighting in the operating rooms, the operating theaters, I should say. Yes, I said to you, and there's a little more issues among certain things, but you know, because of doctors trying to secure their jobs, they are not going to say much. However, that is one issue that they just can't take anymore, and them just make the public know what go on, right? Them tell some newspaper companies the issue, and it's out there, and that's why me, Dancehall Skiller, tell you, my viewers and subscribers, what go on. The doctors them are complaining at the KinGstoN Public Hospital about the poor lighting in the KinGstoN Public Hospital, right, in the operating theaters, I should say. Alright, you don't know, so I keep you up to date and posted with everything what I go on certain ways. See me? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skiller, big up on yourself.